America wants ceasefire, but doesn't seem like Iran at this point is giving in easily. So America has asked Iran to adhere to a 15-point proposal. I'm going to read out some of the demands that America has given to Iran, saying you adhere to these 15 points and then we'll stop the war, we'll stop bombing you. So some of those are that Iran should ease the Strait of Hormuz, that all its proxy networks, immediate cessation of all funding and arms given to groups like the Hezbollah and the Houthis, on nuclear disarmament, which has been the main contention. US says Iran must completely roll back its nuclear program, including the decommissioning of the Natanz and Isfahan and Fordo facilities, and also oversight, full unrestricted monitoring of all military and nuclear sites by the International Atomic Energy Agency. This is basically what the US wants. I'm just reading some of the 15 points. Now, to that, Iran has responded. Iran has, first of all, dismissed all negotiation with the United States, saying that US is disconnected from reality. We are not having any conversation with the United States. In fact, they're trying to negotiate with themselves, it looks like. And on its part, Iran has given 5 demands in return to the United States to end this war. Iran says, we will stop this war if you give us sovereignty over the Strait of Hormuz, international recognition of the Strait of Hormuz as Iranian sovereign territory. That's what Iran wants, including the legal right to collect a transit fee. Imagine. Iran also says we want war reparations, payment of significant financial compensation for damages caused by US and Israeli strikes during the conflict. And also Iran says no non-aggression guarantees, that from now on, if you want this war to stop, henceforth you shouldn't be attacking us or any of our groups, any groups associated or affiliated with us. Legally binding concrete guarantees that neither the US nor the Israel will carry out any future assassinations or military strikes on Iranian soil. This is what Iran wants. And also end to all fronts, a comprehensive ceasefire that includes an end to operations against all resistance groups in the region, including the Hezbollahs and Houthis. This is what Iran has said in return. And also unconditional sanctions relief, that immediate removal of all economic sanctions on Iran must happen if the war should end. So US has made a 15-point proposal, to which Iran has responded with 5 points, saying, you do this, we are not going to listen to you, you do this, what we are asking, and we will end this war. Well, this is the status of this war in week 4.